Can a leisurely 30-minute walk really outpace a 10-minute run in burning calories? Today, we dive deeply into the science behind these two popular exercises, illuminating the facts one step at a time. In our exploration, we blend research with real-world application to answer the question, which exercise burns more calories, and how do their impacts differ on your body? Picture this: a brisk 30-minute walk on a clear day, the rhythm of your pace, echoing the steady beat of your heart. Now, contrast that with a swift 10-minute run, where every stride is powered by bursts of energy. At first glance, one might assume that running, with its sheer intensity and speed, must burn more calories per minute. Scientific evidence does indeed confirm that running is a high-energy activity. Yet, it also highlights the nuances of duration, safety, and overall energy expenditure. We begin with the fundamentals of calorie burn. Research indicates that for a 160-pound individual, a 30-minute brisk walk at around 3.5 miles per hour burns approximately 156 calories. When we shift our focus to running, the numbers initially seem startling. Running is known to burn roughly 356 calories in a 30-minute session, a figure that more than doubles the walk's calorie expenditure if the duration is maintained. However, our analysis today challenges us to compare two exercises performed for different lengths of time: a full 30-minute walk versus a condensed 10-minute run. The scientific method guides our investigation. Researchers measure energy expenditure through heart rate monitoring, oxygen consumption, and metabolic equivalence. When you run, your heart rate spikes, and each stride forces your muscles to work with high intensity. This means that, per minute, running burns more calories than walking. Specifically, if we scale down the running figures, a 10-minute run for a 160-pound individual is projected to yield roughly 120 calories. The brisk walk, maintained over 30 minutes, burns an overall higher total of 156 calories. There is an inherent conflict in these numbers. The 10-minute run showcases efficiency, delivering higher calorie burn per minute. However, it does so over a very brief period, leading to a lower total energy expenditure when compared directly to a longer walk. This contrast sets our stage for a more in-depth exploration into what exactly influences calorie burn and heart rate, as well as the broader physiological impacts of both exercises. Let's unfold the layers of this conflict. When you engage in a 10-minute run, your body rapidly increases oxygen consumption. Every step is a concentrated burst of activity that not only burns calories quickly, but also challenges your muscles extensively. The mechanical impact is significant. Each stride in running absorbs about 3 times your body weight. This high-impact nature increases the risk of injuries like runner's knee and shin splints, particularly if your body isn't conditioned for such intensity. In contrast, a 30-minute walk is gentler on the body. Walking is a low-impact activity, allowing your body to operate in a more sustainable manner over a longer period. This exercise minimizes stress on joints and reduces the risk of overuse injuries. As you walk, your heart rate elevates, though not as sharply as during a run. The steady pace allows for continuous, moderate calorie burn, while simultaneously supporting overall cardiovascular health. For those with joint concerns or beginners easing into exercise, the walk serves as an ideal starting point. As we build the narrative, imagine the visual sequence. Animated graphs display the differing heart rate curves, with the running line spiking dramatically and the walking line rising steadily. These visuals mirror the underlying science. While running offers high bursts of energy expenditure, walking sustains a consistent burn over time. The data reinforces that the decision between these two forms of exercise should consider not only the total calorie burn, but also personal health conditions and exercise preferences. Delving deeper into exercise physiology, we note that both activities share essential benefits. They promote cardiovascular health by enhancing blood flow and increasing oxygen supply to vital organs. Regular physical activity, whether a brisk walk or a short run, can help reduce risks associated with high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes. The body responds to each form of activity by strengthening the heart muscle and building endurance. However, the method of achieving these benefits plays a crucial role in determining long-term adherence to a fitness routine. Imagine the turning point. You are weighing the science against the practicality of regular exercise. The scientific evidence suggests that if your goal is to maximize calorie burn in a short burst, running appears ideal. But if you are more concerned with safety, joint preservation, and engaging in a sustainable routine, walking offers notable advantages. Furthermore, advanced walking techniques, increasing speed, incorporating inclines, or even utilizing weighted vests can elevate the intensity of a walk, potentially closing the gap in calorie burn without the high impact associated with running. This interplay of intensity and duration creates a complex decision matrix. On one side is the 10-minute run, efficient and powerful, demanding a high level of physical exertion and posing a greater risk of injury. On the other side is the 30-minute walk, consistent and safe, offering a moderated pace that is accessible to most fitness levels. The conflict between these options resolves not with a clear victor, but with an invitation to consider what matters most to you in your fitness journey. As we approach our conclusion, the narrative challenges conventional wisdom. It encourages viewers to align their exercise choices with personal health conditions, lifestyle, and fitness goals. Scientific data informs us that for a brief, intense workout, a 10-minute run can be incredibly effective at burning calories per minute. Yet, the value of a 30-minute walk extends beyond the total caloric burn. It provides a low-impact alternative that is easier on the body, reducing injury risk while delivering steady cardiovascular benefits. In short, the final verdict lies in personal context. If you are well-conditioned and seek an intense, time-efficient calorie burn, a short run might be your tool of choice. But if you prefer sustainability, safety, and the opportunity to build endurance gradually, a 30-minute walk could serve you better. Both approaches have their merits, informed by rigorous scientific data and tailored to specific health needs. As our analysis draws to a close, remember that consistency in any exercise regimen is key. The true benefit of your workout routine lies in your ability to maintain a regular schedule, adapt your exercise to your evolving fitness level, and ultimately enjoy the process of enhancing your health. Every step taken, whether in a run or a walk, contributes to a healthier you. Today, we have unraveled the intricate details behind calorie burn and cardiovascular impact, providing you with clear scientific evidence. We compared energetic bursts with sustained efforts. We weighed the benefits of high-impact versus low-impact activities. And in doing so, we hope to empower you to make informed decisions about your exercise routine. Embrace the facts, listen to your body, and choose an exercise that best fits your lifestyle. Whether you opt for a brief, vigorous run or a sustained, gentle walk, the science is on your side. Each method offers its unique advantages and challenges, contributing to a holistic approach to fitness and well-being. Discover which exercise aligns best with your fitness goals and lifestyle,